some pancakes. Over here, I've got some pancake mixture put in this bottle. Here I've got some olive oil spray so the pancake mixture doesn't stick to the frying pan. So on top of these two ingredients, we are also going to need a frying pan. And as you see, I've got a Tefal frying pan, and it also has a pancake model of a dinosaur that I can use. This is the frying pan model, and this is the back. Right now my pan is on the heat. Right now I'm going to spray 3 or 2 sprays of this olive oil. Now let's close it. Right now I'm going to do the outline and then the details inside. Now I'm going to fill the interior of the pancake. Now I'm going to use a spatula, and it's heat resistant. Let's wait a few more seconds because it's not that good as it's done. Ooh, we forgot one little part. Let me do that. Got the tiny arm. I think it's done. Right now I'm just putting it on the other side so it's better cooked. Now let's take it on to the plate. Oh wait, onto here I mean. Let's see if it's done. I think it's done. Actually, never mind. Nope. We need to wait. Right now we're gonna have to leave the mixture cook a little while until it's done and cooked. Right now we're gonna have to take a little corner and try. Right now we're gonna just take the pancake and slide it onto our plate. And now it's ready to eat. And don't forget to turn off your stove. Now it's good. This is how my dinosaur turned out, and you can Choose whatever you want to go with your pancake. Hope you liked my video. More cooking videos coming soon. Bye. Like and subscribe.